What's up guys, welcome to a brand new Arkansas Media Group video. Today we are unboxing the Mac Mini M1, and this is a refurbished unit actually, and my very first new, well I guess it's not technically new, but refurbished Apple product, as every other Apple product I've had has been used from eBay or whatever. So this is the very first new experience I'm having. And the spec of Mac Mini I went with was the baseline SSD, the 256 gig, but I have bumped the RAM to 16 gigs as it hasn't been user upgradable for quite a while now. So we want to make sure this machine is going to be able to last and keep up for years to come, as I think it's still pretty unacceptable that some machines have 8 gigs of RAM and you're paying over $1,000, which this one wasn't over $1,000. I believe this was like $739 or $789, something like that, from the refurbished store before taxes. So you're saving several $100s. I feel like whenever I spec'd out just a 16 gig RAM bump, I was touching around $1,000 from the brand new website. So this is quite a bit of savings, and you're still getting pretty much a brand new Mac here. And this will be replacing the 2014. That one I did end up trading for my new camera, along with my old camera as well. So I needed a new Mac that can handle my old Mac formatted hard drives and anything else like that. And I just wanted to see what this M1 was all about. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into tabletop mode and get this thing unboxed. Alrighty guys, so I do apologize for kind of the close-up view. My camera mount isn't quite wide enough to get the whole thing in the shot here. So pretty much every other side has personal information on it. I can show you two sides here. So here we've got a part number, and this side says pretty much that it's hazardous, but I don't think it is. I don't think this has really any batteries in it. But yeah, this is straight from the Apple Refurbished website. And so let's get into the video without any more delays here. There we have it, guys. Mac Mini is right there. I'm interested to see if we get an original box. Oh yes, we do. So yeah, you got these two cardboard side pieces in there and pretty much nothing else in the box. And yeah, here we go. This is incredible actually. Yeah, as you can see, we have our 8-core CPU, 8-core GPU, which I am glad to have the 8-core instead of the 7. And then, yeah, I was surprised we got that since the MacBook Air has the 7-core. I was expecting the Mac Mini to get that as well, but luckily we have the full M1 capabilities here. So, alright guys, I'm not going to delay anymore. I've been rambling. So let's go ahead and get this thing opened. I am going to do the Apple snob way of trying to preserve the front plastic. And I did that on my iPad mini, first generation actually. And I only used that iPad for about a year, and my dad bought it from me. And after just moving around and sitting around on his shelf for such a long time, the cellophane just was like falling off so bad, so that one actually ended up having to be thrown away. Not the box, but the cellophane that's on the front that I'm trying to preserve like I am now. So we have our sheet that we have pulled off, and we don't need the scissors anymore. So let's go ahead and let it slide out. I'm gonna put my fingers on the edges so I don't rip off the plastic. And wow, are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? Look at that. What is that on there? What is that? It's got a wrapper on it. Maybe it's the wrapper. There's like some junk on the top. You guys see that, right? Which I know this is refurbished. They're not going to replace every single part. They're going to replace the part that's bad, they're going to test it, and they're going to resell it again. So that may be the plastic, which it looks like it is. Like, what is that? Look, there's a blue speck right there. What is that? Interesting. So, you can see there's actually dust in here. I don't know. Does Apple refurbish in the United States or does it go back to China? It's a question that I have because their Chinese stuff, you'll never see. You'll never see their Chinese stuff have imperfections like that. This is a black Apple cable for our power. I won't be using that. I have a white one because I ordered a 2012 Mac Mini that I was going to flip and it was dead. So I have a power cable already in the setup and from where my old 2014 was as well. So we are now done with this. And we can look at our main product here. Yeah, I don't know if this thing was like sitting on a shelf before it was packaged, or like what caused that to happen. So I'm gonna put that off to one side. I'll keep that wrapper, but let's investigate how clean this thing looks to new, besides my fingerprint right there. I don't see too much dust or anything. There's a little piece of fuzz sticking out from the sticker. The bottom piece looks brand new. So that's good to see. And the back, as you can see, there's a little bit of fuzz and stuff on it, but overall the Mac's pretty clean. I give it an A-. Let's go ahead and peel this sticker off right here, guys. And I apologize, you guys won't be able to hear any of that sticker peeling goodness because of my microphone. But let's look at the I/O real quick. Man, it's a little bit disappointing, but we still have 2 USB ports, and I don't think any newer Mac is really having these. I don't know if any new Mac has regular USB ports anymore. Maybe the Mac Pro, but definitely not the consumer stuff from the last 4 years or so. You know, the MacBooks and the iMacs still have it. Not the brand new one though. But yeah, I'm gonna have to get an adapter eventually to use these with my cinema displays. But since this is just going on my desk here as a secondary computer, I can go ahead and hook in my HDMI, which I have literally right here. It's gonna go right here. I've got Ethernet and everything ready to go on it. So yeah, there's the Mac Mini. I'm pretty happy on this this unboxing, other than that trash and the scraping on the wrapper. But I mean, that's too much to complain about. Come on, a wrapper. So I'm gonna call it there, guys. I appreciate you guys watching this video. Definitely be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. There will be more videos about this machine to come, trust me. I want to take a look at the refurbished stuff here from Apple. I want to take a look at this computer versus my custom PC I just did 2 months ago and look at performance and stuff. So Stay tuned to the channel, guys. If you're new, be sure to subscribe. We've been on YouTube for 10 years and we have about 500 subscribers right now, and we'd love to grow the community. So with that, I am going to end the video here. Appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next one.